Hi, my name is Russ, and I want to show you this Python script I made that runs a command on a remote computer with up or down, depending on whether my camera sees an up, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So I have to disable my camera because it uses my camera. But you'll see me again as soon as I run this script. There I am. So there's an thumbs up, and notice it ran up.txt. Let me close this. Yeah, it ran It ran up.txt because if I run, notepad up or down, it runs, down. It tries to open a file called down.txt if I run notepad down. That's just to demonstrate that I can send, a command via the, the TRIGGErcmd commands. But that's all I wanted to show. I'll post this script and I'll show you that the only line I changed was this one because I'm running it on my downstairs computer instead of my laptop. But the way it comes is like this. Let me know what you think. I'm going to post this on the TRIGGErcmd forum and on my GitHub. Thanks for watching.